Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to deactivate Threads account. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step is to open your Threads application. Then click here to go to your profile. When you get here, you want to tap on the two lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open our app settings. Now you click on this account option right here. Now you'll see two different options at the top of the screen. You'll see these break reminder and deactivate profile buttons at the top of the screen. You want to tap on deactivate profile button and then the app is going to ask you, are you sure you want to deactivate your account? It says here that deactivating your profile is temporary and that your profile threads, replies, and likes will be hidden from everyone until you reactivate your account by logging in. So let's tap on deactivate Threads profile and then confirm your decision by clicking here. As you can see, we're on the login page right now and our Threads account is deactivated, so no one can find it, search for it, and all that kind of stuff if you change your mind and want to use it again. Simply find your profile and here tap on it and you will be logged back in and your Threads account will be reactivated. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.